Hello, my name is Gisele Schoniger, also known as G, and I work at Kellogg Garden Product. And this fine chap over here is
Nicholas Staddon. I'm the plantsman for Village Nurseries. Today we're going to talk about my brand new interest, and it's called raised beds. We're going to show you a bed that was used last year. It's full of tired soil, and we're going to put some real super new soil in there to recharge it. So let's go there and do some planting. Gisele, we're here with this fabulous new lavender from the Sunset program called Merlot. You can smell her.
Yeah, it smells
one
divine.
of the most fragrant out there. And so she gets about 18 to 20 inches high, the same wide, lovely long-lived plant. I know about the plants, but I'm not good on the soils. How do we plant her in this raised bed?
Lots of plants were grown in this previously, so it's depleted. We want to recharge and refortify the soil. We want to make sure that we add some moisture holding capacity to it. So we're going to start with the Gardener in Bloom Harvest Supreme.
God, I love this.
Nutrient fortified, chicken, bat, worm castings, kelp meal, which gives us nutrient fortification and disease resistance. So you're going to mix that in about 2 inches, fluff it right into the soil.
Okay.
And then in each planting hole, because this is really where success happens, it's what do we do for the root zone? If we put all the nutrients in the root zone and establish the roots, we're going to have fantastic crops. So by using this additional compost, which is a vegan mix, we're going to mix the compost and the fertilizer, which is also fortified with beneficial bacteria and fungi.
Perfect.
We mix that into the planting hole, and now we set the stage for fantastic root development.
Okay, stand back. This is the exciting moment. This is what I've been waiting for.
It's very rich, it has great moisture holding, and it has lots of nutrients.
So what's really fun here is this lavender is going to be the foundation plant because she's going to fill this area in. And we've got other types of, we've got lavenders. This is traditional English lavender. We've got mint, we've got parsley, we've got basil, all sorts of fabulous herbs that she's going to live with. I'm so excited. Thank you for showing me how.
Thank you very much.
Gisele, that was fantastic. I am your best student. Give me a quick summary of what we did.
Okay, so when we've harvested our last crop, what we want to do now is recharge and revitalize that bed. Harvest Supreme, 2 inches over the top. In each planting hole, a handful of tomato, vegetable, and herb, mix it all in. And for any of you that are vegans and you want something with no animal byproducts, our planting compost is a perfect solution for you.
And really importantly, you can buy all these organic products at Village Nurseries Landscape Centers.